Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You watching for today. I have tried lots of custom ROMs and GSI builds over last few months. I have already uploaded reviews of all the custom and GSI ROM. Separate playlist for all the GSI ROMs are available in video description. Slowly all the custom GSI versions of some ROMs are getting more stable. So today we bring you the review of new version of Derfest OS 16. This is the latest version released by the Derfest team. Its official custom ROM version is available for all eligible devices. Even if your device is not in the list, you can use the custom GSI ROM, which works on all the devices running with the kernel version 4.0 or higher. In this video, we will check out the new features added by the team and some bugs and issues that still persist in this GSI ROM version. But you must watch the bugs and the final verdict section so you will get the clear idea about the GSI build of the new official Derfest OS. Please like and press the hype button. It ultimately helps me to grow my small channel and encourages me to bring more content like this. Now without further delay, let's get started. I booted this GSI ROM on my Oneplus 9RT using DSL loader. Any device running with the kernel version 4.0 or higher can boot this ROM. And if you think it's good enough to use as a daily driver, you can flash it as primary ROM using fast boot method. Links to both flashing tutorials are available in description. So let's check out the device details for this version. This is the Android 16 QPR0 source based Derfest OS 16 custom ROM. The security patch for this version is the latest November 2025. The build date of the ROM is of latest 10th November 2025. In the upcoming days, QPR1 source-based versions of all custom ROMs and the GSI builds are coming, so stay tuned. Let's check out which new features are available in this new version. The Derfest customization option now has new user interface. Some new features are available in the quick setting option like new slider to control transparency level of notification panel. Here you can see how this setting helps to create quick glass-like transparent background effect. Next, we get the new brightness slider shape control. We have circle and rounded square styles for brightness slider. This is the default look, this is the rounded shape, and this one is how is the rounded square shape looks like. But the rounded shape with Android 16 user interface looks amazing as compared to other styles. We also get the new Chinese lunar calendar toggle, which enables the Chinese lunar calendar in the QS panel. This ROM offers toggles to enable or disable some QS panel settings like edit, settings and power menu buttons. You can disable these shortcuts to give the clean look to your QS panel. Under miscellaneous setting, we get the new change look of icons option. We can give white backgrounds to icons which changes their appearance. We can give fluorescent color background to icons like this. By using this setting, we can change the complete look of the settings panel. We also get the new blur intensity control slider, which helps to control the background blur intensity for overall user interface in the ROM, like the background blur of the recents panel, QS panel, and the notification panel. One new feature of DerpFest OS that I like the most and is not available in any other custom ROM is the new Gesture Anywhere feature, which is available under the System and the Gesture setting. This feature offers the panel where you can use assigned gestures to open different application shortcuts and many more. Using the location option, you can change the position of gesture bar to the left or right side on the screen. You can change the gesture bar trigger width, trigger position and trigger height. Using the gesture option, you can add different activities. Just select any activity and assign the gesture to activate it. You can add multiple activities and can increase the productivity of your device. Next, for Derf Launcher in the recent panel, we get the new split mode shortcut. All the old recent shortcuts like screenshot, lens and clear all are also available here. Split mode helps to quickly open recent app in a split screen mode. Under the home screen option, we get the new dark status bar, which converts all the status bar icons to the dark color instead of white. So these are the few changes I found in this new version of Derfest OS. If you want a detailed review of previous versions, links to all the videos are given in the description. Now let's talk about the performance of this version, as this ROM has the pure AOSP base with the few important features. It provides the lightweight experience with the fluid performance. Everything is buttery smooth by default, but if you are using the old or the low-end devices, this ROM will still run smoothly. For that, enable these toggles available in the system and miscellaneous option called as LMK tweaks. Disable expensive power rendering mode and the two settings available in the display option called as SFGL and SFHWC back pressure. Let's check out what's working and the major bugs of this ROM. Most important features are working along with the VoLTE calls and internet. But if your device have any issues regarding this, you can follow the tutorial links given in the description. So I will directly show you the issues I am facing in this GSI ROM. All the play integrity checks are failing. Because of this, you may not able to use some banking and security applications. But in the iCard, I have given the video link to bypass this issue. Circle to search and the new taskbar toggles are available, but both of these features are not working. Both under display fingerprint and face unlock are not working for me. The ambient edge lighting feature of this ROM has lots of amazing options, but ambient edge lighting is buggy and not working at all. Except for these bugs, no other bugs are present in this GSI version of ROM, but different devices may face different bugs. Custom ROM version of this ROM will not face any kind of fingerprint network or other minor issues. So this is all about for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to custom ROMs and GSI versions with Android mods. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.